Hello, good afternoon students. In our previous class we did example number 1 and example number 2 given on page number 93, and now we'll start with example number 3, that is in class A of 25 students 20 passed in first class. मतलब क्लास A में टोटल 25 स्टूडेंट्स है, उसमें से 20 पास हो गए. In class another class B, that is class B, it is of 30 students and 24 passed in first class. 24 passed in first class. In which class did the more fraction of students get first class? अब दोनों में फर्स्ट क्लास किसको more fraction मिला, ठीक है. So we have in class A 20 students in first class out of 25 students. So the fraction is this. Now what you have to do is दोनों को एक ही टेबल के साथ डिवाइड करो, तो 20 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 भी हो सकता है, 25 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 भी हो सकता है. दैट कम्स टू 4/5. And over here you can divide this by 6, 24 divided by 6 and 30 divided by 6, that comes to 4/5. So it clearly states that both the fractions are equal. So the two classes had equal number of students passing in first class. Okay, first class में दोनों pass, equal number of students passed out. Now next is students checkpoint 5.6. Insert appropriate symbol for greater than or less than in each of the following. आपको जो greater than है उसके ऊपर या फिर less than है उसके ऊपर आपको साइन लगानी है, ठीक है. Let's do the first one. 11/15. I'm putting dash over here, and next is 8/15. Okay, now first of all what we need to exactly check over here. See, denominators are same. When comparing fractions with same denominator, what we need to see is the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. यहाँ पे greater numerator कौन सा है? That is 11. So this fraction is greater. Number 2, 17/20, 18/20. So here also 18/20 is greater. Next, 33/35. And 46/35. यहाँ पे भी आपको क्लियरली दिखाई देगा कि डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, सो न्यूमरेटर में जो बड़ा है वो लेंगे. सो हियर कम्स 46. नंबर 4, 23/29, 17/29. 23/29, denominators are same. Number 5, 4/5, 4/6. Here the numerators are same, so the denominator which is smaller in this is greater, so 5 is greater. 9/11, 9/13. तो 11 के ऊपर करेंगे बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर जो छोटा है वो लेंगे, ठीक है. नंबर 7, 5/19, 5/17. So your lesser denominator is greater, so 17. Number 8, 11/18, 11/16. So 11/16 के ऊपर करेंगे. Now students, I have done 8 sums 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12 that would be your homework. वो 4 sums आपको homework में करने. ठीक है? I have done the 8 sums. Now question number 2. Mark 5/8, 4/8, 6/8 and 8/8 on the number line and put appropriate symbols greater than or less than between the given fractions. Okay? So what you need to do is you need to make a number line. Here comes O A, that is ये 0 होगा और ये होगा 8/8 that is equal to 1. ठीक है? Now what you have to do is mark the points. A1, A2, A3, A4, A6, A7. ये थोड़ा नज़दीक ले लेना. ठीक है? So this comes to 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8 और ये 8/8. ठीक है? तो हमें कौन सा मार्क करना है? 5/8. सो दैट इज दिस. फिर 6/8 उसके बाजू में ही है. 8/8 दैट इज दिस वन एंड 4/8 इज दिस. 4 हो गए. ठीक है? नाउ what you have to do is you just need to put the crocodile signs 1, 2, 3 and 4. That would be your homework. Now we'll start with question number 3 and that is reduce each of the given fraction into its lowest form. आपको क्या करना है? lowest form में इसको डालना. ठीक है? Now for reducing it to lowest form, what do you need to do? You need to first of all find out what, and that is you need to find out the LCM. So here 27 and 51 दोनों कौन से टेबल में आते हैं? So if you check out the table of 3, say 3 9s are 27 and 3 17s are. ठीक है? Then after 3 3s are 9, 17 3 1s are 17 1s are 17. Okay? Now what you need to do is just write it down these things. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 17. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 multiplied by 17. 80. So 7, 2 1s are 2. 15, 459. Okay? So your HCF is equal to 459. अब आपको क्या चेक करना है कि 27 और 51 दोनों को कौन से नंबर के साथ डिवाइड करना है? 459 के साथ. ठीक है? सो यू विल गेट दी आंसर. Now students, what we need to do is we just need to divide these numbers. That is 459, 27 and divided by 51. So if you see the division part over here, this, so we'll get 9 upon 17. Okay, so 9 upon 17. तो 27 upon 51 उसका लोएस्ट फॉर्म है 9 upon 17. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2. (63 upon 72). इसको आपको क्या करना है? रिड्यूस टू इट्स लोएस्ट फॉर्म. ठीक है, सबसे पहले HCF निकालो और उसके बाद डिवाइड कर दो. यू विल गेट योर आंसर. सो दीज 3 सम्स विल बी योर होमवर्क. नेक्स्ट इज कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस इनटू लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 क्या बोल रहा है कि आपको लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है, सो 6 upon 7 and 13 upon 14. Now whenever you want to convert a fraction into like fraction, ठीक है, तो आपने कन्वर्जन जो किया था उसमें अगर आप देखो तो आपको याद होना चाहिए. देखो यहाँ पे it is given on page number 91. First of all, what you need to do is you need to find out the LCM. Okay, 7 and 14. It's very easy. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 2 1 1. So your LCM is 14. अब 14 को दोनों के साथ 6 upon 7 हो तो 7 2s are, और ये भी 6 2s are, so 6 2s are is 12, 7 2s are is 14. And 13 upon 14, so 14 1s are is 14, तो ये भी 1 के साथ, so that comes to 13 upon 14. Okay, now 12 upon 14 and 13 upon 14 are like fractions. Okay, next number 2. 2 upon 5, 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 20. 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 20. This is same as we did above. 5, 10, 20. 2 5s are, 2 10s are, 5 5 and 5. 5 1 1 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So LCM is equal to, sorry students, my compass box fell down. So LCM is equal to 20. Now what you need to do is 2 upon 5 is equal to, ये 20 रखो, 5 4s are, 2 4s are 8. Next 3 upon 10, ये 20, 10 2s are, 3 2s are, that comes to 6. Last one 7 upon 20, 20 1s are and 7 1s are, that comes to 7. So the like fractions are 8 upon 20, 6 upon 20 and 7 upon 20. Okay. The third and the fourth question will be your homework. Now students, in the next lecture We'll start with question number 5, 6 and we are left with actually 5, 6 and 7, so that will complete in our next class. Okay, so till then complete your work, and that's it for today. Take care everyone. Bye bye.